Hey, I'm Ettienne with the San Diego Home Buyer. I'm an acquisitions manager that works with the best real estate agents here in San Diego. We really pride ourselves on those relationships, and most of our business comes from the opportunities that they bring us. Our referral partners will come to us when they have an off-market situation, and typically a house that may need more work than the owners can handle, or something that's been inherited into a family and may or may not qualify for a regular mortgage and may need a quick all-cash offer, which we can provide in 10 days or less. A huge advantage of being a referral partner with us is we truly do care. Our culture is what drives us. You guys run the deal, whatever situation it may be, and we'll be there 100% to back it up. Hey realtors, Ed's tip of the day. The highest offer isn't always the best offer. I would suggest to get a really trusted investor behind you that has a good general contractor that walks the property and then submits a strong offer that they won't move off. I think that's your best option. Go get them. When I'm not at work, I'm a family man. Most of the time on the beach, surfing, playing some bags, and just enjoying time with friends and family. I really love San Diego. I've been all over the world traveler, and I've really fell in love with San Diego and obviously real estate. I look forward to meeting you, working with you, and ultimately providing that solution for your seller.